Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by bringing your media into Premiere Pro, import or drag files into the project panel. Once done, create a sequence that matches your main clip's frame rate and resolution so you avoid reinterpreting frames. Next, place clips on V1 in the order you want. Make sure snapping is on to align cuts precisely. You do this now to lock in timing and visual flow. That foundation makes merging simple and prevents later framing or audio drift problems. Now refine the timeline, trim edges with Ripple Edit, or use the razor tool to remove unwanted frames because tight cuts reduce visual jumps. Then apply transitions or audio crossfades where needed. Make sure audio levels are balanced and keyframes are set so sound stays consistent. Once your edits look good, select every clip and choose Nest to wrap them into a single sequence. This creates one clip you can move, color grade, or export as a unified asset without losing your original edits. To finish, put the nested or single combined clip into a new sequence for any final grading or effects. This gives you a clean master timeline. When ready, export using File Export Media and pick settings that match your sequence. H.264 for web or ProRes for high quality. Make sure render at maximum depth if needed. Export creates one merged file. If something goes wrong, check frame rate mismatches, offline media, or sequence settings first. Correcting those typically fixes common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.